I really hope you have sunscreen.
Well, we're just gonna go fast.
Up this. So quiet. There's no mountain walls. There's only a bit of a canyon rise in that direction.
Getting some static electricity, my friends.
How is that possible?
Because we're rubbing against these,
Planks?
whatever these planks are made out of.
You kidding? I can get like consistent shocks.
Me too.
Are you alright? Kinda like to keep it there. I'm like having to keep touching it just to make it not too bad.
That's what I'm doing.
Then step with less friction, I suppose.
This is desert varnish.
I'm trying to generate more.
I want to know how far you can go. The most painful shock I've ever gotten was when I was on the trampoline until and I got my static energy and then I touched metal on a bear. Don't feel like it.
So if you just drag your feet, you instantly get a small shock. Oh, never mind.
I'm scared to touch that.
Shocking, isn't it?
Very.
Static energy.
It's so dry out here. So.
You can go on a bit.
What else is there to go to?
Do you think that's why it's so static because it's so dry?
Well, what else is there to go to? Where are we?
No, I just wanted a picture. These aren't volcanic, guys. This is all desert pavement.
Then what is it? That looks like they're going really, really fast. There you go. Just cut desert instead.
Oh my gosh!
Mom is so dumbfounded by rocks. Why are you so impressed with these rocks?
Oh my gosh, they're columns. They're columnar jointing. In sandstone! Oh my heavens!
Oh my heavens. So hot. I'm regretting this choice. I don't want to get electrocuted. Ow!
Oh my gosh, this is so cool!
This is an actual nerd.
She's never this.
I am an actual nerd.
This is just.
Thanks for noticing.
This reminds me of where
Oh my gosh, look at
lives
these.
in Wreck-It Ralph in the first movie.
Oh, that actually is kind of cool. Can we climb up there?
Uh-uh.
What do you mean?
I don't think we're supposed to.
Yeah, there's a bridge, I think.
Does it
for-
say so?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, it's too hot for me.
Somebody will take this?
Bye.
You already know all this.
I know. But oh my gosh. This is so cool.
You going back?
Yeah.
Bye, Heber.
Don't get lost!
Is it recording right now?
Okay, I'm gonna do a video, okay?
Okay.
Here I am I'm in the Negev Desert in Israel. I'm at Makatesh Ramon. I'm sure I pronounced that exactly right. And what we are looking at here behind us is actually columnar joints in sandstone. Now you've seen columnar joints in in basalt all the time. It's the kind of thing that makes the Devil's Causeway and Devil's Tower in Wyoming and things like that. But this is sandstone that was below a pluton, and it got warmed up enough. It's actually a quartzite now, and the quartzite cooled in such a way that it made these awesome columns, just like basalt does. Oh my gosh.
Mom,
Yeah.
so are we gonna use this or?
It's on.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's on right now. Oh my gosh, this is the coolest stuff ever.
The shock site.
Look at them. There's just all these.
Take a look at that expanse.
You got a little more?
Okay, I'm going to thanks for permission.
It's fun to see you so excited about this. Looks like the trail stops there.
Yep, it does. I'm just going to go to the edge. Oh my. This is so cool. Like, no joke, this is so cool. I'm not.
You trespasser.
Not even a trespasser. There's a marking over there. Hey, I need scale. Ezra, go over here. Perfect. Ezra for scale. Hey guys, this is the coolest. Oh my gosh. Look at these gorgeous joints. Miriam, come put your foot here. A little bit over. Back, back, back. Nope, this way. Right there. Thank you. Just like that.
I think it's time to start heading back.
Yep, it is. All right, you can. I guess you can turn off the.
Camera. No point in having it go two ways.
Okay, I just